Let's take a look at the tournaments features of the Oracle Dev Gym. So you could come to the Dev Gym and simply take the featured quizzes or look up a topic of your choice, like ListAg, a great function in Oracle database, and basically explore the vast quiz library that we have available to you. But in addition, every week we publish brand new quizzes in a variety of domains such as PL/SQL, SQL, database design, and logic that you can take as part of our Open Tournaments series. So what does that mean? Well, the difference between your regular quizzes and the open tournaments is that you can choose to be ranked and compete on an international basis for top rankings. And the top 50 ranked players at the end of the year get to play in a special championship playoff. Of course, if you don't want to compete, you can still take these quizzes in a non-ranked format. So when you click on one of the cards for the tournaments, you'll see the Ready, Set, Go page. And you can tell us right then, do you want to rank your answer or not? So you can turn it on or off even each week if you so choose. You can also ask if you want to be, or specify if you want to see this page next time. Now the reason we show you this page is that when you take a ranking quiz as part of a tournament, your ranking is determined both on the accuracy of your answers, that's most important, but also the amount of time it takes you to answer. So we give you this starting point to look at the instructions for the quiz, read about the assumptions for the quiz you're about to answer, and again decide, do you want to be ranked? Do you want to see this page next time? I'll say yes to both. And then when I'm all ready to go, I press take the quiz. And then I'm back to the normal question answer experience. So I look at my question. I can pick among my choices. I can expand and collapse to make it easier to read. I can keep track of my notes to myself and view the assumptions and instructions. All of this is available to you. So you take the quiz as you normally would. And now when I submit my answer, I'm going to be told, here's the quiz that you just took, and it shows you which answers you selected with the check marks. But you don't see which ones are right or wrong. So the answers and the rankings are not available until the end of this week. And then you can see the rankings as of Saturday. The new quiz starts up every Saturday. And if you had fun doing that, you go back to tournaments and you can click on another one and go through the same process. And each time you will be given the opportunity to choose whether or not you want to be ranked. And again, I could say, yeah, you know what? I do want to rank and I'm done with this. Take the quiz. And then next time I'm about to take a tournament quiz, I will not be prompted to show that page again. Notice that as you complete each of your weekly tournament quizzes, you'll see them show up in the recent tournaments list. In addition, if you have participated in past championships, you can see your results in those championships. For those of you new to the Dev Gym, you might not have any there, but you can always visit the library of past tournament and championship quizzes. So if you want to go back to the week before and look at how you did, or look at how other people did, you can do that through this report. You can also search out the championship quizzes. And for each of these, you can either view the results, or if you haven't taken the quiz yet, you can take it right now. It will not be part of the rankings because that week's competition is already completed, but you can certainly see how you did compared to others. And the way you can see how you did compared to others is by checking out the leaderboard. So the leaderboard will show you our latest winners, for example, ranked first, second, and third in the most recent quarter and the last month's activities. You can also see the open tournament rankings, so you can pick the domain that you're interested in, the week or the month or the quarter or the year or lifetime, and then which period. So for example, if I want to see how people did in 2016, I set that criteria and I can see that Stelios did a stellar job with 99% accuracy across an entire year, and Pavel did very well himself, and so on and so forth. So these are the top ranked players, and the top 50 of these participated in the championship. And so to sum up, every week we post new quizzes as part of our open tournament series. You can choose to take them ranked, in which case you can compete against other players from around the world, or you can take the quizzes unranked just to see how well you do. You can then view the past championship quizzes and past tournament quizzes through the library, and you can even take those quizzes and see how you did and stack up against some of the best Oracle database technologists around the world. So good luck if you choose to be ranked, and in general, enjoy the Dev Gym.